Hello, dear.
I just entered the airport and the security guy goes like, आपने तो डरा ही दिया है.
I have a meeting with this one investor. तो जाना बे. नहीं हुआ. In the last vlog, you saw me leaving Mumbai and heading to Delhi. So let's take it from there.
Finally, the check-in is done. Bhai, I was so scared because literally team के अंदर से 2 bags didn't pass through security, and I legit had to like get everything checked because there were 50 items like जो मुझे ऐसे अलग से बाहर निकाल के रखनी थी, and I was most scared about this. Literally, like the Vistara check-in lady, she warned me. She's like, I think the security won't let you go through this. You might have to come back to check this in also. But I was like, how am I supposed to? Because it's not in a packet or something. I used to have like a cover for this, but I don't know kahan gaya. That's just the concern with like moving as a content creator is the task, because ring light, all of this stuff. I should have sent this thing with the parcel. Yeah, I am only stupid. Like this was the main thing I should have sent. Like कपड़े शपड़े थोड़े से मतलब जूते वूते फिर भी रख लेने चाहिए थे. My weight was so like cut to cut. My bag, with a bigger bag, check-in bag, was like 31 kg, and I had 30 kg limitation. And this bag was like 11.9 kg, and I had 10 kg limitation. Thankfully, they didn't charge me anything. But because I was like, damn, ये तुम्हारा सबसे highest category of seats were available, and this is all I can do. But yeah, thankfully it went through. And my food is there.
And then I moved to Delhi and I was just settling in, meeting my friends and waiting for the next chapter to unfold. But किसी ने आके मेरा chapter ही फाड़ दिया. काफी बड़ा mess up हुआ and literally the whole plan came crashing down. I'll tell you how. Okay. Future से Shivam is coming here to tell you what happened because past वाला Shivam forgot to shoot a whole month. So basically why I was moving to Delhi was because I was eventually supposed to move to Dubai. Okay. Yes, for the very first time. I've never traveled outside country and I had Seedha decided I will move. So I was working with this one company since July and the plan was to stay in Delhi for 10 days and then move to Dubai. Lekin, once I moved, the company ditched on me. And I was stuck in the middle. Because now I did not have my Bombay home. I was only planning to stay in Delhi for 10 days. My family did not know anything what I was planning and all of that stuff. It was all to me. I was interviewing. I was still in touch with companies and everything. So I decided that everybody keeps on saying you should come to Dubai and find a job and blah, blah, blah. So I was like, okay, let's go. So I just booked my tickets. I just packed my bags and I left for Dubai. Honestly, this 1 month was a roller coaster and I was so sad. It was like I was planning so much and that sort of dream shattered and left me in the out of nowhere. But I was like, okay, let me just give it a full shot. Maybe it is meant for something bigger. So I just left for Dubai.
First time ever.
Hello. So like a typical middle class flying into an international flight, subway is what we start with. So I have an Emirates ka flight, Emirates की flight. Hindi, gosh, India से almost बाहर पैर रखा नहीं कि काकी होना शुरू हो गया. Best thing till now that had happened was that I was so scared of immigration part, and my immigration officer knew me. He's like, what do you do? I was like, hey, क्या पूछ रहे हैं मैंने? क्या बोलूं? No.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
I was like, क्या बोलूं? Social media. He's like, what in social media? I was like, content. He's like, आप content videos बनाते हो ना YouTube? मैंने कहा हाँ. Like, that's the best thing ever to like have your immigration officer know what the fuck you do. So then I was like, now it's gonna be a smooth ride. I have my flight in half an hour. And let's see how it goes and I'm looking forward to it.
Luckily मेरे साथ की सीटें खाली थी. Economy में बिल्कुल business वाला feel. And then we just left from Delhi and yeah, on to the next chapter. So this is our washroom number 1 because influencers, we don't really believe in having like a small room and like a hotel room. This comes the kitchen, like all the everything like fridge and everything. This is the common area to sit around, and then you have the bedroom, and then you have another bathroom.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
Look, that's literally the metro station. मतलब I was like, मैं टैक्सी पे पैसा लगाएगा ही नहीं. हेलो, आई एम इन दुबई और ये पहला दिन नहीं है, ये चौथा है. एंड येट अगेन, क्योंकि पिछले 4 दिन के अंदर ऑनेस्टली मेरे पास सिर्फ व्लॉग करने के लिए कुछ किया ही नहीं है मैंने. मैंने 2 इंटरव्यूज दिए हैं, दैट्स इट. आई हैवंट रियली ट्रैवल्ड एनीवेयर, लिटरली एनीवेयर. बट 2 भसड़ वाली चीजें हुई. एक तो अभी हुआ, लिटरली भी ताजा वाला बता देता हूँ कि मैंने लिंक्डइन के ऊपर आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू ऐसे बाय द लिंक्डइन प्रीमियर वाली मेंबरशिप, और मैंने गलती से ना उसमें कार्ड के डिटेल्स गलत डाल दिए. नॉट वंस, ट्वाइस. लिंक्डइन हैज ब्लॉक्ड मी.
म्यूजिक.
I am literally in a different country to search a job and LinkedIn has blocked me.
ये भगवान क्या जुल्म है.
And now I just appealed for it and it's gonna take another 24 to 48 hours. And I have an interview on Monday. जिसके contact details बंदे के मेरे पास नहीं है. वो सिर्फ LinkedIn DM से मेरे से बात कर रहा. Why do I do shit like this? I hope my account is restored soon. But I think maybe this was God's way of telling me कि enough of job applications, just fucking go out. See, I find like positivity in everything, even in getting my LinkedIn account blocked. Oh my god, so optimistic. आगे का देखते हैं. Today I am planning. I will probably go to Jumeirah Beach. Because दिन में बहुत गर्मी होती है, तो मैं सूरज ढलने के बाद ही मेरे में जान आती है बाहर जाने के लिए. I am planning to go. It's already 7. I am planning since morning. I should get ready, नहा धोकर, and I should go. And yeah, let's see if I make it. भाई धीरे धीरे ना ऐसे सिंक इन हो रहा है कि fuck, LinkedIn account लॉक हो गया है. This is more of nervousness में हंसी, because what I'm reading and what I'm hearing is it can take anywhere between 48 hours to days. I don't have days at all. I'm trying my agency networks and my friends and whatever. Influencer bit I can. But एक तो मैं बता भी नहीं सकता, सबसे बड़े पंगे ये हैं. I can't even tell anybody कि I'm in UAE because मैंने कुछ किसी को कहीं में कुछ डाला. I know. So yeah, secret maintain करने के चक्कर में भसड़ हो रही है. Guess who's finally stepping out? I like my outfit. I'm headed to Dubai Mall, baby. खरीदना मैंने कुछ है नहीं, बस चलो घूम कर आते हैं. Shit, यार हॉट लग रहा हूँ मैं, मस्त. तालो तो नीचे तक है नी सोना मुन्ना ना हो तो. This is jobless. Jobless. Nobody gives how. Hello, damn. Hi. Been a while since I've been here. Today I had like 2 meetings, and yesterday also. Oh my god, I'll tell you about yesterday also. So basically, पहले कल से शुरू करते हैं. Yesterday I had a meeting with this one finance brand. Okay, बहुत करने के बाद I got a meeting with this CEO. 1 o'clock की meeting थी. Okay. And this guy tells me that the day before I'm confirming, and I told him, I was like, listen, tell me where exactly. He's like, DIFC, that's the financial center. And I tell him, I was like, tell me the exact location. Where do you want me to meet you? You know, because it's a confusing place. DIFC is like it's a financial hub and everything. So it is confusing. He didn't tell me the location. The same day, like 15 minutes before we are supposed to meet, and I'm on my way, and he sends me the picture of this coffee shop. We are here. Shomu. I tried to locate him. And I couldn't. 20 मिनट मैं सड़क पे धूप पर घूमा हूँ, and I was seriously, what am I doing with my life? I'm done. I couldn't find him, and I kept asking him. I was like, is it inside or is it? He's like, it's next to like Innovation Hub. I was like, and 119 पे this tells me that, oh, I have a meeting with this one investor and I'm leaving. तो जाना बे, जा भाड़ में. What the fuck, bro? And I reach and I was like, now I need to find where this coffee shop is. Turns out to be on the first floor of. I was like, तू बोल नहीं सकता था co-working space के अंदर first floor पे. अबे, I was so furious yesterday and I was like, what am I doing? Fuck all things. That happened yesterday. Today I had a morning में a meeting with a great company, very nice. Again, it's into fintech and trading वाला site के ऊपर. We have been talking for many months, and but unfortunately, they have been always looking for somebody who's into finance, and I am not. But anyway, it was a good meeting. But भाई क्या ऑफिस था? हाय राम, it was in Emirates Stars. Like पहला ऑफिस मुझे जहाँ पे ऐसे जाके लगा था यार, this is दुबई का ऑफिस यार. मतलब yeah, though I would say like I've worked in like fortunately good companies like Meta and stuff, so I've already like worked in like great like fancy offices, so nothing really feels like this office really, like I was like wow, there was like panoramic view of entire Dubai, like the entire, it was very pretty downtown का बड़ा अच्छा view था, बहुत बड़ा मस्त view था, so I felt nice. But I don't know where it goes. But then I had another meeting. Oh my god, like I mean, I'm talking to this brand and it is going in positive direction. It's an agency, but bhai, matlab, I think for a good 30 minutes, I have legit, I think I have tried to almost like sell myself and my skills. And it was a hard back and forth, and I don't know, I have my own skepticism out of it. I'm a little divided, to be honest. I don't know where it goes. But it, you know, it really made me feel like that bhai is market mein, like it's every day you have to wake up and I'm trying to like convince a new person about my skills and my experience. And one of the biggest skepticism I get like from everybody, no matter whatever numbers I have proven for years, it's UAE market, it's a new market, you don't know about this, you don't have UAE experience. I have given myself this task. In next 6 months, today, tomorrow, like right now it is October, in next 6 months, I will have one of my top countries as audience as UAE. Future Shivam here. Moving and getting into this market is easy. Also because I'm at that stage where I'm not like a starting off in my career, I'm at a mid-senior level, and at that level it becomes a difficult task because it's like they want to pay you, but at the same time they're like, you don't have UAE experience. They want to give you junior roles, but junior roles ka the budget nahi hota and you have more experience for that role, so you are stuck in the middle. So it's a very complicated position to navigate in. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna, I mean, like I'm here for another 2 weeks. I don't know what comes out of it, but I legit feel like sometimes that do I really have a vision for my life and my career and where am I going? Because at times it just feels like, yeah, I'm taking things as it comes. I mean, yeah, I have short-term visions. Do I really know, like, honestly, 3, 4, 5 years down the line what I want to do? No. Of course, certain things there are there. I'm working in that direction, but it's like, it's creative careers, creative life. It's really something that you don't know, no matter how much you plan. It's just interesting. I don't know whether this vlog comes out, what is happening in life, where am I? It's interesting.
भाई मुंबई में रह के ऐसे प्लास्टिक रैपर देखने की इतनी आदत हो गई थी बीच पे. I legit came in daytime purely to see कि मैंने कहा कितना साफ है, मेरे को भी देखना है. और मैं पहला इंसान यहाँ पर रहूंगा जो बीच पर आने के लिए नहा कर आया, साफ सुथरा होकर आया.
It's a nice vibe. Oh my god, hi guys. मैं चाहे 4 दिन में तुम कुछ बताओ ना बताऊं, but आज मैंने फैंटा मंगाई स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर. मैंने कहा ये तो व्लॉग में डालना बनता है. Let's try if I like it or not. Okay. सुगंधित गैस. That didn't sound. इसका तो ऊपर वाला टूट गया. Oops. और मैं खोलूं कैसे? खुल गया. उंगली मार के खोल. Again didn't sound. Okay. तो पानी में डला हुआ कॉफ सिरप है. छी. किसी एंगल से स्ट्रॉबेरी नहीं है. Let me focus on my salad. Yes. मैं कार्बोनेटेड गैस वाली ड्रिंक्स के साथ सैलेड खाता हूँ. Gotta be healthy. चाहे इससे पहले मैंने फ्राइज ठूसी है. अभी ना मैं ना प्रमोशन के लिए ना ऊपर इनके जिम में गया. I was like, damn, इनका इतना अच्छा जिम था, मैंने कुछ यूज क्यों नहीं किया पूरे महीने. Oh hello, हाँ. Sorry, today is last day. हाँ. Tomorrow is my flight. Back to Delhi. This was 1 month. Do I have a job right now in hand? Not really, because यहाँ के लोग बहुत slow हैं. So there are things that I'm in talks with,
So I don't know. Till the point I don't have as a thappa in my passport, I'm gonna consider I don't have a job. Because इतने दल बदलू लोग हैं यहाँ पे companies don't decide fast and don't hold on to their word. तो बिल्कुल भरोसे के लायक नहीं है. तो हाँ. जो कुछ मिलेगा मिलेगा मैं.
Alrighty. बीच में क्या है? Today I'm heading back to India. Don't really have a job, but there are a few things in the pipeline. So hoping that within a few weeks I am back to Dubai. But for now, say bye bye to this room that hosted me. Such a pretty light. One thing that this place has made me realize is that whichever place I take and stay, I'm gonna make sure that there's a good lighting, like really good lighting and direct sunlight, because amazing. तुमको इस ब्यूटी से वंचित कहे रखना रोज रोज. ठीक है, तो चलो अब हम लेट हो रहे हैं. Let's go to the airport. Future Shivam again coming in, क्योंकि past Shivam फिर गायब हो गया और वो भूल गया ब्लॉग करते. मैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ब्लॉग के टाइम के ऊपर खुशी के मारे से भूल गया, क्योंकि once I moved back, within 3 days I heard back from a company and I got a job offer, and so yeah, it was finally time to move my freaking life to a whole new country and start it from the scratch again. I have basically, because you guys asked me so much what do I do, I basically joined Hamleys. Wait, I'll show you. Because okay, right now I'm in Dubai, okay? It's been already a month since I joined the job. I joined Hamleys! In Middle East, I will be leading their social media and content creation domain. And there are a couple of other web houses, basically like a technical, like e-commerce brand that I will be leading. Coming to Nijab! Alrighty, it's finally time. See ya, India. Everything is checked in and I'm just boarding the flight. Bye. मुझे फिर से दोनों सीटें खाली मिली. Guys, I take a shower before a flight. So after months of mehnat, your boy finally has a new address, and that is Dubai. I am super excited for this journey and I hope it's a pleasant one. I'm looking forward to it just like this. So follow along because it's gonna be a thrilling ride and it's gonna be a new life I wanna take you along. Subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.